everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun and interesting video for you guys. So I am starting this series where I will be busting some beauty myths and also I will be trying some new beauty products and reviewing for you guys so that you can check out these amazing brands and portals. So this will be my series called as Beauty Busted, and today we are gonna try the Smytten app. So basically this is an app where you get quite amazing samples to try before you buy these products. And if you'd like to know more, first do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's just get started with this video. So today I'm gonna talk about the Smytten app. So this is basically an app or a website wherein you can try popular brands before you invest in full size products of them. So you can grab in some really amazing brands like Faces Canada, Maybelline, Color Bar, and also there are like amazing array of brands. So I thought, why not checking out this brand? And through Smytten you can also purchase full size products. So they also have a section of full size products and you can pick in your favorite brands from them. There are like variety of brands which you can choose from, and I will be linking my subscription code, so you can get some discounts as well on the app. So you can check out the description box for that. And let's just get started with my Smytten haul. So this time I got in 6 products that I can try before investing in like full size of any of these products. And it was really good to get to know how the product performs. And you can also try in your favorite brands like Plum, Mamaearth, Lakme as well. So yeah, let's just get started with this Smytten haul. So the first product that you could pick, this was for 0 trial points, was this Lakme Blush and Glow Sheet Mask. This is the Strawberry Blast variant and this actually retails for 100 rupees. But through this app you can actually try it for free. And you also get this packaging that explains you how you can use this mask. You can tear open the pack, wear the mask, feel it work on your skin for 15 minutes and you reveal your fruit facial like glow. So basically sheet masks are really good for dry skin types, and I am from the dry skin family, and these work really well for me. So if you're someone who's on the lookout to try a new sheet mask and you do not prefer to go to salons for facials, then you should definitely look out for sheet masks. Like they actually make your skin glow. So yeah, this was the first product that I got in my Smytten box. Then I picked up this Nutri bar. This is almond and oats food drink choco Nutri bar. It's like a trial size of the product, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really good sample size to try the product. So these come in really handy to keep in your purse, because whenever you feel like you are hungry and you want something that is not very like junk sort of a product, and you're looking for something on the healthy alternative, then these sort of nut loaded dry fruit bars are really good, and you should definitely pick them up. So the next product is like a kajal and eyeliner pencil. So this is the brand Essentials Desire, and they make in some really cool products. This is the Desire Kajal eyeliner pencil, and it comes in a really nice packaging. And this particular one also come in with like the use before date and how you can apply it. And this was the other product that I got in my Smytten box. So next is a skincare product. So I was on the lookout for a really nice toner, and then I came across the Sear Secrets Rose Palmarosa and cat issue toner, and you know, this particular one retails for 195. It's a really cool spray bottle, and you know, you can spray it, and this is a really good travel size as well. So this is a really nice fine mist, and the fragrance of rose on this one is like really nice and mild, so you know, you can check this out as well. So next I picked up a sample of the Just Herbs Malabar Lemongrass Invigorating Gentle Body Wash. This is actually a really nice travel size sample, and you know, you can actually try this product before investing in the full size. And this actually smells more like lemon, and it's a really nice wake up sort of a fragrance. And you know, the bottle is also really cool, and you know, you can reuse these bottles as well. So this was the next sample that I got in my Smytten box. So next we'll move on to two products from my favorite brand, Plum. So actually I wanted to try new products from Plum, and that is why I thought of choosing them. So the first one is the Illuminance Makeup Remover. This is a really nice makeup removing sort of a balm. So you know, you just take some of this product and massage it all over your face, and you know, this will actually help you get rid of makeup. So this is a really good product. You know, if you are someone who is looking for ways to not damage your skin, and you know, this will be really gentle, and I wanted to try it for my dry skin. So they recommend it for dry, normal combination, and sensitive skin. So yeah, this is like a really nice cool sample. So you can see that the MRP of this sample is 99, and you know, it's like actually a good quantity to begin with. So you know, this will actually last you for a good 2 to 3 times, and you know, you can actually get to know the product before you know you looking for the bigger size. Yeah, so the next product is the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Sheer Matte Day Cream. This is like a SPF 50 day cream, and you know, this again is a really good sample size. So this one is for 175 rupees, and it also comes with seal. And you know, these sort of products are also great to carry in your bag. So if you want to touch up your sunscreen, or like when you are out and about, you can do that. And yeah, this was the other product that I got. So since I got to try the sample sizes, so I in total paid like 199 rupees for this box, and I got really good deals in this box, I must say. And the first time buyers actually could pick up one free product. So I thought of trying a lip and cheek tint. This is from the brand Just Herbs, and look at the beautiful packaging, how really nice and detailed it looks like. So yeah, this was the full size product. So lip and cheek tints are quite a popular rage in today's market, and you know, they are like all over the Indian market, and I wanted to try one for myself. So this is the Just Herbs lip and cheek tint. It retails for 695 rupees, and this is what the color looks like. It's a really nice peachy pink. So it's like really nice and pigmented, and you know, you can see that being a cream product, it's very easy to blend. So you know, this is a really nice day-to-day product, and you know, you can wear it on the go. And this is a really good product because you know, whenever you have like a no makeup look and you want to instantly refresh your face, you can just use this one on your lips and cheeks, and it will give you like a really nice flush of color on your face. And this particular one is in the shade Peachy Coral, and you know, Just Herbs is in itself a really nice luxurious Ayurvedic and made from natural ingredients brand. And I really like the packaging also. So it has coconut oil and almond oil. There are really nice natural ingredients. So if you use this on the day-to-day basis, then it will actually be really good for your skin as well. There's shea butter and really cool ingredients. So yeah, you can actually try it. And this was my free product. So all of their deals keep on changing, and they also keep on adding like new trial products every now and then. So you can check them out as well. So I paid a total of $199 for this box, and I must say, for this price, it's a really nice and affordable way of if you are someone who's on a budget or someone who likes to try newer products, then you should definitely check out this box, and it is a yay from my side. So this is my series Beauty Busted, and if you like me to try new products, then comment below and let me know, and I shall be back with a new video really soon. Till then, take care. Bye.